Protect homes against destructive scratching by applying soft claws nail caps to kittens' nails. This is simple, non-surgical alternative to declawing. Easy to apply caps last 4 to 6 weeks and will not interfere with pets' normal behavior. Feline take-home kit includes 40 nail caps, adhesive, 6 applicator tips and instructions. Measures 6 4/5 inch length by 5 inch width by 1 4/5 inch height, available in large size with clear color. Top reviews from the United States. Problems with the glue stick and/or applicator tips. Have you made a change in the manufacturing process of the glue sticks and/or applicator tips? I have been using soft claws for years. Lately I've been having problems with the glue arriving somewhat dried up, and the applicator tips don't click onto the glue stick like they used to. It's nearly impossible to squeeze glue into the cap when the glue and applicator don't stay together. I end up with a mess and no nail caps on my cats. I gave high marks for the product because it works well, however this issue with the glue has me frustrated.